Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can edit Printify product after publishing it on your website. So make changes within your Printify account and then republish it to sync those updates to your store. Now to change the artwork, colors or sizes, you will need first to be logged in into your printify.com profile and then navigate to My Products in your Printify dashboard. So this dashboard is here on the left side, and you will see, if you go a little bit down, you will see My Products. So click on that, like so, and you will see here your products. So I right now have just this sweatshirt. What I need to do now is click the paintbrush icon right here, edit design, and you will be redirected to this editor site, and here you can now modify your design or use the select variants menu to add and remove colors and sizes. So right here you can add colors, you can remove or add sizes however you want. Okay, so now let's go back. Yes, close. Now to change the title, description or pricing in My Products, click on the product name or image to open the product details page. Just like that. All right. And scroll down to edit the title. As you can see here, description or pricing just below here. So now for bulk price updates, you can select multiple products in your list and use the edit price right here. And then you can edit. And when you are happy with your edits, you must sync them to your sales channel. So you will just click here at the bottom of this site, publish. And yeah, you will select here where you want and connect Shopify, connect to Etsy. I think you already have that. And yeah, you can uncheck any detail you have customized directly on your store. And that's it, basically. So I hope this video helped you out. If it did, consider to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.